This is a video to have you double check that your read and write extension is enabled on your device. So what you're going to do is you're going to open up Google Chrome, and all the way to the right next to the search bar, you'll see a little gray puzzle piece. You're going to select that, and a pop-up drop-down will appear. All the way at the bottom, you're going to select Manage Extensions. You are now going to search for the purple puzzle piece, which is the icon for read and write. Mine is down here all the way at the bottom. And I'm going to make sure that my blue toggle here is in fact blue and it's all the way to the right. And if that is the case, then your read and write Google Chrome extension is ready to be used on your device.